Hi guys, it's Evie with another acrylic pour. Okay, so I've got my canvas covered with a layer of Floetrol, and that's it. No color to it, and let's start. I'm going to do a 2-cup pour, and I already have a cup that I did in my last video. Basically, I believe it starts with white and light green or yellow green. I think there's some violet or magenta in it, and then topped with phthalo green. Okay, so let's get started with the other cup, the bigger cup. We will start with white, just a little bit of white at the bottom, not that much white, and then we'll start with yellow green. Okay, and then we'll put in some phthalo green. Okay, what color shall I put in next? What shall I put in next? Okay, so let's put in, shall I put in magenta or violet next? Yeah, let's put in magenta. Magenta. Oh, you know what? Let's put in a little bit of white. Okay, a little bit of white. Let's put in this violet color. Okay, let's put in the violet color. Let's put in, did I put in magenta? I think I did. So we'll put in this color that's in between the violet and the magenta. Okay. And then let's end with some of this green. And so let's get pouring. So I'm going to make a circular paint at the corners. Okay. Now we'll take my other cup right here and we'll fill in, whoops. Okay. I guess we don't have very much in there, just dark colors. So let's go ahead and tilt so we can cover up all the white. Let's tilt up a little. Let's tilt to the right. Tilt down. Ooh, ooh, ooh. My cells seem to be in the white paint. I wonder what about the white paint causes the cells. Okay. Interesting. No more tilting. Okay, so let's try some heat. Let's see if heat will develop some cells. Okay. So, I don't like it. I don't have very many cells, except in the white. Maybe there's just too much dark green. We'll get rid of the dark green. Oh no, I'm getting paint in my magenta. Getting drippings into my magenta. Okay, so interesting. It's okay. It's not great. Might be the circular motion I did on it, but it's not great. Okay, let's... Okay, I'm getting more cells. I'm not liking the shape of the cells. Not great. Not very happy with it. Let's go in for a closer look. Okay. So as you can tell, there are some cells in here. Not a lot, but there are some. Okay, some in the white up here. Maybe I should tilt it and get more white. Expand the white a little. Yeah, maybe I'll do that. Let's do that. Okay. Okay, so let's go ahead and tilt a little more down. See if we can expand the white area. Okay, I'm seeing a bird in this corner. I see eyes, like a cartoon bird, right? Eyes and a beak right there. Interesting. Okay, thanks for watching.